about 62 times bigger than Goa. It can afford the pollution that will kill us.
When you are in truth, don't care for air.
Does not apply to the railway department. Don't you have to prove first that this land belongs to you? And unless it is done, can you dump mud near the gate of a house? How are they going?
When you are in truth, don't care for air. He will help. When you are in truth, don't care. He will guide you. He will help you. Got it? But when you do some lies, he will never help you. Unless you are protected.
Hello.
Just look at the state of this road. How are people going to walk? Now tell me.
We have told them.
You are fulfilling your bosses. There is no solution. What solution? He thinks that we are all fools.
No. They have told us to give. No. You didn't hear the judge. He said we submit on the 17th.
Provide the land. How much more land do you want? First of all, you are taking
Because
Provide
we
more
did not
land.
get your application.
And then later on again, the people feel they need that land.
No, let me continue. Did your learned Mr. Lawyer, Mr.
Who?
PPC
That
give us the
MLA, is he talking
application
anything?
which was submitted in 2022?
I'm sorry.
But we have not
Did
received.
he say anything? What about what is right and what is wrong?
That is
So now you are putting the onus on the private people.
See, whether X, Y, Z, see, we are not.
The land. Now you're taking by force this land also?
That they gave it willingly, now they are taking forcibly.
What they're telling is railway have the land up to Kampur. And they will build their track in the railway land only, what they saying. And if you want service road, they will provide.
You're talking
Underpass, if you need, they will provide.
underpass. You want us to go underground.
No. To cross that line. Underpass.
But why we should live under such conditions? Karnataka is about 62 times bigger than Goa. It can afford the pollution that will kill us. No, this is
Karnataka doesn't want coal.
What should I say?
Rejected coal.
Man, we
Why will come this? Now I was going out, we had told everything is stopped and I went
They
inside.
waited for us to go home and then they dumped this.
Yeah, we told also
How?
stop.
Soon as I got the information.
How this?
But in your
came
How
presence,
deceitful.
three trucks have been
Very
dumped.
deceitful.
See, sir,
Sorry.
sorry to say this. You are also learned man. In your presence, these three trucks have been. You could have stopped it. No, you are a deputy manager.
And now he's telling.
You are not a supervisor.
He told the other truck to be
Yeah,
dumped.
fix a date. Let us have a discussion. That is on 17. No, 17. No, 17. 17. So
By
wait
17th you all will bring it to this height.
So 17, what you will do? What will come and do?
But while you have that in between, can you go on doing this?
Yeah,
But had the ISLR
of course he has to study the documents. By the way,
These
listen.
are the orders
No,
you have to
no. Listen. I asked the judge. I went again and I asked the judge, where are the annexures to your application? And they were looking for it. He said, we will call you. They have taken my number. Not mine, not mine, or two of my colleagues and my advocate. And they said they will call us because we have asked for the annexures. Application had several annexures, but in the file, even that application was missing. I'm telling you what is the factual thing, right? And this he has agreed that the file that your application dated some in 2022 is missing, and there are no annexures. So on what basis you have applied? Nobody is aware. And then the judge said, yes, we will give in the interim, but by 17, please give. We said in all this we will give our objection.
But in the meantime,
But
take
in,
a
no. In the meantime, please, they have to arrange for the annexures.
Yes, arrange for the annexures. And
We have
take
only
a
the
break
cover.
in
We have
work
only the
that
cover
you're
letter,
doing.
which is 2 pages. Understand now?
This is very deceitful. Very, very deceitful.
This gentleman also argued his matter, right? Did he get any annexures?
Incomplete application.
Incomplete application.
There were no annexures.
No annexures.
Then
Now on the 17th when we go, we'll have to tell the advocate and we'll get the
annexures
on
and
the
again
next
postpone.
subsequent-
Again postpone.
And until the process is
Don't do the
You have to wait.
you have to wait. Don't you
You
know
have to
how the
wait.
law
No,
works?
you
I
see.
have to get it in writing. If you get me in writing, I will definitely.
See, listen.
It's not
Without
the
that-
court
Listen,
is there.
listen.
You
No,
have
no,
to-
baby, you want to address letter to you?
No, not to me, sir. From South Central, if Southwest.
court has already said.
We will do it. You want us to go to Hubli? We'll go. If you want, we'll go. Not an issue.
Go and take a stay order and
We'll see whatever is done. We have to do. We don't want to this. See, but the thing is, you need to stop this
Given an
work.
adverse ruling.
Orville, he says,
That the railway can go
Orville, he said you stop the work if you go to Belgaum and
No,
do
no,
the
no.
things.
See, listen, man.
Can you do what you want on somebody else's land?
Because this is not your land.
This is not your land. This land does not belong to the railway. This is people's land. Here are the owners all along the road.
Listen to me. There is no acquisition is also. You agree or no?
reverse action.
There is no. Huh?
there is no.
They are trying to make us go round and round. Let
You
it
heard,
go
sir?
round.
There is no acquisition is also.
Not even cooking properly.
So when there is, huh?
Additional acquisition, there is no additional.
No, there was acquisition for home properties there at that corner, which has been dropped. After a lot of protest, it has been
Yeah.
dropped. You know
We've
that.
been fighting this not now.
You all only have, they all have agreed that you all don't have documents from Majorda to Vasco.
Exactly.
In your application, you all have said
You all have
partially you
said-
don't have.
In the application, it is written.
Railway has said again and again we have no documents. And without documents, how can you come here and just
And you're
dump
coming
mud
with police
wherever
to
you
frighten
want?
the public.
Railway is not saying that it doesn't have documents. It is
No,
only
no,
saying
application
No, no,
states.
no,
The
no.
application states.
No, no, you're
Your
wrong,
application
you're
is
wrong.
there is no promulgation has done. We are applied for that. The same thing we have applied for that.
No, no, no. Look,
Talking about
look,
promulgation.
please get this into your head. This land also belongs to our people from the village. It belongs to the
It was
village.
never sold, never
It was
acquired.
never sold, it was never acquired.
Acquired, nor
Yeah, it
gifted.
is not promulgated.
Okay? So don't think that this belongs to y'all. But because it was being used for the Mashila for a long
How they
time,
got without notification?
See, you'll finish your
it was
procedure,
allowed
then
for
you'll
the
do
first
your
time.
work.
But they are doing without procedure.
Without no procedures are followed, you all are just doing the work. Yeah, we are
They
saying
are
it is
putting
our land.
everybody into inconvenience with their actions.
No, tell me one thing. The law does not apply to the railway department. Don't you have to prove first that this land belongs to you? And unless it is done, can you dump mud near the gate of a house?
Yeah, they are.
SWR
How are
was
they going to
always-
move in and out? They have little children here. Here. How are they going to move in and out? How is that vehicle going to come out now? Please tell me. No, you tell me, please. How should the vehicle come out? I'm waiting for an answer.
For that, we have to sit and discuss.
Discuss. What you going to sit and discuss?
You
What
get
you
the
going to
solution
discuss?
first and then you
break,
do your work.
break the compound wall?
For solution,
Yeah.
find
And
for an-
there
How
is
you're
one
like-
more. What shall we do there? When the vehicle comes out and reaches there, what shall we do?
See, first of all,
Understand one thing.
No, I don't have to understand anything. You have to accept the truth.
They should survey the
Truth
area
is
first.
this: that
land
this
doesn't
land
belong to you.
does not belong to the
You do
railway.
not have title documents.
It is
Very
private
simple.
land. It is private land. It is in the name of the owners who live along the road. And y'all are robbers. Y'all are robbing our land.
See what has happened now. This is we have been using from time immemorial.
first of all, you're
Okay.
creating a nuisance in the
My father had a vehicle
At least you first saw
in the
the
60s,
problems of the
and
village
they used to
and
drive
then
along
you
this way.
did- That is the
I have
least
pictures.
Government.
I have pictures of this car, my father's car, in front of this house here.
We are struggling for the railway.
This is my father's house, my
You know,
ancestral place.
people
So
expect the government
don't think that this was
to
not a
set
road.
a good
We have
example.
got a
But our government
photography evidence
seems
in the
to want
60s.
to show the people
Politica,
how
your
to
dad
be
is there.
devious.
Your father-in-law, my father, all are sitting here. And so don't.
This is not correct.
Show me
Where
where
is
is
it
notified.
said that it has
Where
a-
is show me? Show me. Do you have Form 1 and 14 for this?
That is what we have
Actually,
applied for
actually.
now.
applied now?
Applied for.
You
Has
see,
the government see? We are also this.
Railway is
Okay.
using this land, not recently, sir. It is
Who is using this land, my dear? We are using this land for heaven's sake.
this
we are
land is
using
My
this
father
land,
had
our
car from the
cars are moving
1960s.
up and down.
My father had a car from 1960s. Ask any of these gentlemen
From centuries, railway is using this land.
How they can use?
Talking
What are you talking? You are come now. Before I was born, my father had cars here.
Are you talking from the
Shall I show a photograph to produce evidence that we are using this area?
The very fact that the matter is in the court,
Huh?
it means you don't
You
have
don't have the title.
If
Why
you,
have you got
if
the
you had the
court?
title, then
Because you don't have ownership of this land.
you're only using this.
You are using this, using even this.
There are two
And even
issues.
this, they don't have ownership.
Yeah, they don't have ownership even for
Even
this land.
You don't have ownership.
Because very well, but he-
Look, we know this. I was a minister. I hate to have to repeat this. Okay? And I have discussed this issue several times, including with Mr. What's his name? Sahu. And Mr. Sahu has told us very clearly that this was just a track. What is
See,
it?
we have written history of books on this village. We can
This
produce
was
this.
a small pathway that was being used to carry the mashila. What is the mashila? It's like a chair.
Palki,
where
palki,
four
palanquin.
people- Yeah, they used to carry that. That was it. Nothing more. Until today, it is in the name of the original owners.
Owners.
And you are telling lies that you have the ownership. This is what the government is doing, putting people who tell lies. Is it right to take people's land with lies?
Now you tell me how this lady will take out the car if you raise this up.
It will come up to equal to this.
To this level. So it will come above the compound.
We'll construct a wall here.
Yeah. Oh wow! People can't really? How kind. Why don't you construct a jail?
Yeah, make a prison
Instead, take us and put us in some jail. No, it will be the same.
Jailing gale.
What you talking?
Yeah, they're going to
Who are we? Human beings, animals? Who are we?
Man छोकरी लावपा भितर. मागीर एक गेट लाय लॉक मारे. Thing आता there they did no. S bridge whatever.
Mine. So kind. They're going to build a wall.
Baina.
Baina. Gate केल no देने. Baina.
Oh, this is the height. They don't
That's
even
what
feel
exactly
bad
they're
to
going
tell
do
us.
later on.
I hope you know. Do you recognize us? We are human beings, not animals.
Even animals have rights.
Animals have their rights
Animals
today.
have more rights.
More rights than us.
Treated
That's
with
why we
love
got
and
a verdict
affection.
in that Maulium case. Correct, sir? Hello? Correct, no? We have no enmity with any of these employees, because they are doing the dictates. But unfortunately, this
Is
is...
there anybody more ferocious? You need more ferocious. I wish I was there.
Where is bypass? Where progress?
See, what was
Further down.
See, earlier we had steps here. This is my grandfather's track. This is my grandfather's farm. And her house also. Okay, there were steps here, steps. Okay. The steps have been